In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new advanced funnel reports in HubSpot. Advanced funnel reports help you visualize how records progress from one stage to the next and where they drop off, so you can diagnose bottlenecks and improve conversion. We'll move from the HubSpot homepage into the reporting area, create a new report, select the advanced funnel option, and configure the data source and starting stage so you end up with a clear, actionable funnel view. Start on your HubSpot homepage. Look to the sidebar and open the More menu. This expands additional navigation items that aren't shown by default. From there, choose Reporting. Inside the Reporting section, select Reports to land on the main reports list. This page shows all reports available to you, including anything you or your team have already built. To build a new one, click the Create button, then choose Create Report. That opens the report builder. Here, HubSpot gives you multiple ways to start: templates, your report library, AI-generated suggestions, or building from scratch. For this walkthrough, select the Advanced Funnel Report. This option is designed specifically to measure stage-to-stage movement and calculate conversion rates between each step. After selecting it, click. Next, to proceed, you'll now see the guided funnel setup. First, choose your primary data source. This tells HubSpot which type of records the funnel should analyze, such as contacts, deals, or tickets. Pick the source that matches the journey you want to measure. For example, if you're tracking sales pipeline movement, choose deals. If you're tracking marketing qualification, choose contacts. Next, select your first stage. This is the entry point of the funnel, the initial status you want records to start from. For contacts, that might be a lifecycle stage like subscriber or lead. For deals, it could be the earliest deal stage in your pipeline, such as new or qualification. Choosing the right first stage ensures your conversion math starts at the correct point and that later stages line up with your process. When you're satisfied with these selections, click Next to create the report. HubSpot will generate the funnel using your data source and starting stage, showing conversion percentages and drop off between steps. If something looks off, double check that you picked the correct data type and the exact stage names used in your account. Also remember that your permission level and the records you can view will affect what appears in the funnel. And that's it. You navigated to reporting, created a report, chose the advanced funnel builder, and set your primary data source and first stage to produce a focused, high-impact funnel report.